Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 22nd of November. We're officially in Sagittarius season. Oh my God, Sagittarius, this is your time of month to make sure that you do a lot of introspection, as well as you don't necessarily have to read. Fuck you read for bumbleclot. Every bumbleclot they must say you're a bumbleclot read. You just a read so how you try to educate yourself on Are you trying to overthrow Elon Musk? Okay, but no, but Sagittarius, you are the forever philosopher, you are the forever student and the forever learner. So if you don't read, remember there's other ways to learn. We have kinetic learners, audio learners, visual learners. So if you don't like to read, there's other ways to learn, okay? But make it a priority, Sagittarius, especially this month, to find out something new about yourself. If that means your birth charts, that means a new way of practicing life. Taoism, whatever it is, you are the forever philosopher. You have to be connected to something. Sagittarius is that don't believe in a higher source usually do not do well in this lifetime. They're usually very, very unhappy, even if they did attain the material things. So on behalf of all Sagittariuses everywhere, I would like to sing a very popular song by a Sagittarius. Sagittarius, I'm trying to talk to you. Sagittarius,
well, like give me some good fuck. Like the music turned up. Pot me tag, yo, at church me I go. Feel like for put on my name tag. Come make me give you some nice wine. Call me Vanessa and not Venice. If that pussy a good, one more time. Time. Why every time I give you pussy, give it up, me have to fight you? Why every time you ask me to turn the lights off? Why every time you do it, me have to remind you why me like you? And you're different, I'm more the husband you. Move your hands, slide it, mama me give you some
alcohol?
Pop me tag, you at church me I go. Feel like for put on the name tag. Come make me give him some nice. Call me Vanessa, not Vanessa. If that pussy a good, one more time.
I'm trying to talk to him and he's not trying to talk to me. Me not understand. Sagittarius is your season now, so why are you not responding? Me can't bother, okay? So Sagittarius, your channel messages, you want to give somebody some good. The lights have to be dim and the music have to turn up. Okay? The way how she got big screaming for God, you're going to consider that she might need to go to church. At church we go. Now you might want to put on her name tag. She has had any men put on their name tag? I have. I am 1% a sister. Okay? Call her by her real name, her government name. Don't be calling her by her stage name. Because if that can go one more, if that Jimmy Donaldson.
Come and me give you some nice fuck, Jimmy. Right, the music turned up, Jimmy. Pop me tag, you at church, me I got
Mr. Donaldson. Feel like for time my name tag, Jimmy Donaldson.
Come and me give you some nice wine.
Call him Jimmy Donaldson and not Mr. Beast.
If muck him one more time.
Mr. Beast is very happy with his girlfriend that he is in a long distance relationship with. He does not need me to be picking up his shit. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. We're continuing from yesterday. All right, so let's see what your overall message is. Alcohol. Okay, let's go Sagittarius. See what your overall message is. Sagittarius. We have the Ace of Cups. Okay, so I'm getting you're feeling emotional or you're feeling yourself. You're feeling yourself. You're feeling yourself. I have another bone to pick, Sagittarius, because as you may or may not, the Country Music Awards just held their nominees and they did snub a lot of artists, included Beyonce, they did snub Beyonce. And let me tell you something, it's one thing when white people are controlling the music industry. It's another thing when you want to break out into a white industry, you understand? No, I won't lie, they accept Lil Nas X, right? Because him gay. Because if you're a gay man, country will accept you. Because everybody know that country is full of gay men. Who did not know this, right? That's the first motherfucking thing. The second thing, I see how diverse Hollywood has it. You know, and you know what? We should not know what is happening. Because let me tell you, Beyonce knows. Let me tell you what you don't know, right? Okay, Taylor Swift went from a country to a pop artist. Beyonce tried to go from an R&B, whatever artist, to our country. They're not allowing her in. They close the fucking borders like how the Jewish people them close them fucking doors on me. And I'll tell you, it's because of jealousy. It's because she black. That's the first thing why country not gonna let her read. She black. And Beyonce has already been dominating almost. She's not even in every genre, but everybody, I mean, Beyonce is she had a high, she had a queen bee. No, they're not gonna let her in a country now. If they're gonna make country fans like her. No, they weren't going to do it. And it's okay. You're not letting in Beyonce, we will not let in Taylor Swift. And we will see who will suffer the fucking consequences. This is what the fuck we're doing. Every single of them black rapper, yeah, it always come back to Taylor Swift. Why is it always coming back to Taylor Swift? I feel like it's a Taylor. I don't know. I'm not going to blame anybody on Taylor. I don't know. Taylor probably is with her man right now. We don't know what Taylor is up to. But what we will say, you will not accept Beyonce into country. We will not accept Taylor Swift. And we will see the consequences the fans will have to suffer. I bullshit that. This ain't Texas. I ain't no hold up. I ain't no hold just because I go down, down, down. Right? On a fucking, on a meter. On never even nominate her. On never even just nominate her and don't make sure win. On a totally, Grammys, it's not enough time to, right? That's what happens when you're an independent artist, people. You're not gonna get the Grammys, you're not gonna get the awards, you're not gonna get the validation from the people in the music industry. You will not get that when you're an independent artist. So do not look for any awards or whatever. Yes, when you're an independent artist, you might get a nomination like a Doja Cat or a Tyler, right? But usually when you're an independent artist, don't look for the validation of Hollywood. You go into fucking work, make your money and get the fuck out. That's what you do, okay? Ace of Cups though. So I'm getting, this is a new endeavor that you like, that you want to start. It's okay, it's fine. Beyonce had the highest country selling record for the year. And she was not nominated. Because y'all jealous as fuck. That's okay, you can be jealous as fuck. It's okay, it's fine. I'm just saying, you don't let in Beyonce knows, we don't let in Taylor Swift. And this is how this is how World War III I got blood clot starts. Okay, so we have the Ace of Cups. So I'm getting, yes, you like that. You like it, whatever this is you like. No, if you're asking a question, it's a yes, okay? Now, what happens if you don't follow the yes from the question you just asked? If you don't follow it, you're going to be left in confusion because Ace of Cups going to continuously make you think. 2 of Cups, 3 of Cups, 4 of Cups, 5 of Cups, 6 of Cups. By the time you reach a 7, you're confused. You have nothing to think about but thoughts, according to Alan Watts, okay? So if you don't go through with whatever this is, I don't know if you want to give somebody some good, or I'm getting somebody, I'll get them first nominee. I'm getting the reason why somebody don't blow up yet, the reason why somebody is highly underrated is because they're black. We can talk all the time that skin color don't play a role. Skin color play a role in every single thing in this life. You should know that. That's why I can't fuck a nigga who says, I don't see color. You don't see color. No. I wonder why you don't see how your underwear look when I have to do your laundry. Yes, so if you don't follow it, you're going to be in the 7 of Cups. Confusion. Or you'll go back in a loop. Because me getting you just going to think about whatever this is and you're not going to take any action towards it. Now if you do follow and go through what this is, we have the High Priestess. Me getting if you do follow and you do go through, then me getting all will be well because you know. Now, I don't know if you know somebody, okay, Ace of Cups, 7 of Cups, High Priestess. I feel like somebody try to throw off your emotions or them try to throw off your instinct, your intuition. Come getting you have a natural nudge or anytime something about to happen, you get a first inclination that something going to happen. But then, this is what I feel. I feel like you'll say like, you know, there's going to be a crash on Dundas Avenue. And then you say, no. But it's like you said something, like I said, there's going to be a crash on Dundas Avenue. And then everybody are confused you. No, there's not going to be a crash. There's police officers out there directing traffic. There's stoplights there. Nothing going to happen. Bam, it happened. Exactly how you said it. Me getting something, me don't know. Me getting something is happening exactly how you say it, or exactly how you've been saying something, that's exactly how it happened. And somebody trying to figure out how could you connect yourself to this event and you're not here. Me getting a because you know, you're clairvoyant, you're clairaudient, you're clairsentient. This could literally be spiritual gifts. Me getting if you decide say you know, accept your spiritual gifts and don't hide from it, and people going call you a freak, people going when them see you, people going like scared to be around you. Nobody want to be around somebody who knows everybody's business. But me getting you have the natural gift. You're probably clairsentimental. Not sentimental college. You're clairsentient, right? Me getting if you ignore it, you're going to go back in a confusion. You're going to show symptoms of bipolar and schizophrenia. You're going to depend on antidepressants because you cannot control the new clairaudient or clairsentient emotions. Me getting if you do decide to own up to it, harness it. Yes, you're a freak. Yes, you can see things. Yes, you can pick up energy. Yes, you can predict things. Yes, that's just what happened. You might have said things to your parents when you were young and your parents were freaked the fuck out. Yes, that's what you are. If you accept that, me getting you'll turn into the high priestess. But it all depends. If you deny your gifts, it's going to be nothing different than a mental illness. If you accept it, you're going to be the high priestess. Okay? No, I don't know what that's have to do with habits, to be very honest. Alright, Sagittarius. And let's see what your universal direction is telling you. Universal direction is saying the Hermit. It's saying that you should seek the knowledge that is not in front of your face. Sagittarius, you are again the forever philosopher. You rule higher learning and higher education. So maybe you need to look into what these gifts are. Look into people who might have the same gifts as you. You're not the only one, Sagittarius. And if you're not the so-called only one, me getting if you're a guy, me getting this one another girl you find her, and you're saying she can do the same thing me though. But I'm telling you, once you open your eyes or once you put on the magic glasses, you cannot take it off. You can't go back to sleep. A lot of times people say, you know what, fuck off with all of this and I'm going to hold a blood clot 9 to 5 job, live a life, have a nice vacation. I can't go back to sleep. I can't. Even if I make all the money in the world right now, I'm still unhappy because I can't go back to sleep. Once you have opened the door, because the feelings going to creep on you. You see, once you open the door, it's either you're going to stay mad for the rest of your life, or you're going to always the 7 of cups the rest of your life. You're getting mental illness, or if you accept or harness your gifts and seek the truth, that's what the schools and doctors and people don't tell you about, then you will know how to master your craft. I'm also getting something about a Cancer and a Virgo, or a Pisces and a Virgo. So Sagittarius, it is up to you. You can be called a freak with these gifts, or you can just pretend that it never happened, pretend you never discovered what you discovered, and you can go back to sleep. Sagittarius, it's okay. But you're not crazy. No phones allowed and unsolved mysteries. You're not crazy, you're not delusional, and you don't have a mental illness, at least not yet. I'm getting you're just discovering what it is to have abilities. That's basically it. We have celebrity. I wanna give you some good. Lights, the music, turn up. Pop me, yo a church, me I go. Feel like for put on him name tag. One more. Not one more, I only pull 4. Can we just talk? Take a break, and I was innocent. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.